Welcome. In this chapter, we will delve into the world of object-oriented programming, or OOP. OOP is a programming paradigm that focuses on organizing data and behavior into reusable objects. It provides a structured and modular approach to software development. Let's explore the key concepts and benefits of OOP. Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming. OOP. Object-Oriented Programming, or OOP, is a programming paradigm that organizes data and behavior into reusable objects. It emphasizes the concept of objects, which are instances of classes that encapsulate data and methods. OOP languages, such as Java, C++, Python, and C#, provide mechanisms to define and manipulate objects. OOP offers several key features, including encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, which we will explore in the following slides. OOP concepts. In OOP, we encounter three fundamental concepts: encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Encapsulation is the bundling of data and methods together into a single unit, known as an object. It hides the internal details and provides a clear interface for interacting with the object. Encapsulation promotes data hiding, code reusability, and modular design. Inheritance allows a new class, known as a subclass or derived class, to inherit properties and behavior from an existing class, known as a superclass or base class. It enables code reuse and the creation of hierarchical relationships between classes. Inheritance simplifies the development process by allowing the subclass to inherit and override the behavior of the superclass. Polymorphism allows objects of different types to be treated as objects of a common parent class. It provides the ability to use objects interchangeably based on their shared behavior. Polymorphism promotes flexibility, code clarity, and dynamic behavior. It allows for the creation of generic algorithms that can operate on objects of different types without needing to know their specific implementation details. Benefits and applications of OOP. OOP brings several benefits to software development. Firstly, it promotes reusability. By encapsulating data and behavior into objects, we can reuse code across different parts of a program, saving development time and effort. OOP also enhances modularity by creating self-contained objects, making it easier to manage and maintain code. Additionally, OOP provides flexibility in program design, allowing for changes and updates to be made more easily. In terms of applications, OOP is widely used in software development. It provides a structured approach to building complex software systems, enabling efficient collaboration and code organization. OOP is also well suited for graphical user interface (GUI) development, as it models interface elements as objects. Furthermore, OOP is extensively employed in game development, allowing for the modeling of game objects, interactions, and behaviors. If you found this overview of object-oriented programming helpful, please like and share this video. Your support motivates us to create more educational content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for updates on software engineering and programming concepts. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for future lessons.